Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Paul, Mike 0, Whiskey November Uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on 11 metres and PMR 446. Right, just slightly interrupted there on the introduction. I've joined Callum M0 MCX, the DX Commanders Discord, although I have no idea what to do with it, so I'll have to speak to Callum and whoever else that's on there. And I've just had a hard time getting the car started, so I think the battery's on its way out, which is a bit concerning. But anyway, let's on to the subject. As you know, this is how I've managed to tidy everything. So let's see if it all stays attached. So far, this is on. The mic clip for the oh. Yeah, of course I'm going to keep getting those, aren't I? Yeah, so the mic clip for the T3000 is still attached. The mic clip for the FTM 400 is still attached down here, as you can see. None of that's fell off, so that's good. The radio itself, it's screwed in, but you never know. Being jolted about in a mobile environment could cause things to fall off. The tablet holder I'm not going to be too worried about because that stays attached and it's all good from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this up either if something falls off or after my shift. So I'll catch you then. Okay guys, I'm just going to put the light on. Brace yourself. There we go. Maybe it's not as bad as I thought. So I'm back home after my shift at work. So I normally just work till a little bit late. I'm just going to turn my car headlights off now. I don't need them on. So, and I don't need the air conditioning on either. So, let's see. Now, we know these are going to stay attached because these have been attached for a while. You can see that the Thunderpole T3000's microphone and the microphone clip are still attached to the dash. Excellent. So, that's still attached. I had every faith those screws would hold. And as that's been stuck on with 2-part resin, I was concerned that that might rattle off. Nope, it's still attached and I can still get to the mic. And that's excellent. But I've not been on the radio tonight, so I've got a network radio clipped down the other side, which isn't really ideal, but that's just where it is at the moment. So here's just another quick one, just to see if it would all stay attached, because, you know, it'd be nice to... So it's Gorilla Tape on the T3000's mic. 2-part resin on the mic clip for the FTM 400. So it's Gorilla Tape behind that mic holder there, with the back of that mic holder sanded down a bit just to rough it up, and a couple of brass wood screws holding that in, because I don't think I've got the original self tappers and that came with that. Don't know where they've gone. So that's basically it, and we already know the tablet mount's stuck in, no problem at all, so I'm happy with that. So I think I've covered it. It's all stuck on, it's held, and I'm going to leave it overnight, and I'm going to come back in the morning or later on, and we'll see what's going on there. So I'll catch you then. Okay, it's the next day. It's the 20th today. It was the 19th yesterday. So it should be quite warm in there, so the sun has been shining. So let's see if everything's actually still stuck on. Right. Whew. It's actually not as hot in here as I thought. The T3000 microphone, the clip and the mic still held on. Okay, good. It's moving a little, but it's started to come off, but it's still held on. So how long that's going to stay, I don't know yet. May well involve I have to use a 2-part resin on that. Depends on the other one though. The other mic down here, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So one final test, because I'm off out for milk, so I'm going to drive around to Tesco and see if that microphone stays on or falls off. I shall let you know. Okay, I've turned the radio down a bit because, as you will know from a previous video of mine, Tesco, and as it also turns out McDonald's, use non-compliant automatic doors made by a company called Record. So it causes interference on the 2-metre band in quite a lot of random places and has a distinct howl in it. I've got a video on that before all this corona stuff kicked off. So the microphone clip is still pretty much as it was. It don't seem to be going anywhere right now. I will update the description in the video below so I'll go from there. This one, yeah, that's well and truly stuck on there. That's not coming off, not without some serious brute force. I will take my foot off the brake now because I'm stopped and the handbrake's on. So I'm going to go in there and wait in this long queue, which has took out a load of parking bays, which is rather inconvenient, and go get myself some milk and a couple of other bits and pieces. So I'm going to sign off now. So it's Paul, Mike 0, Whiskey November uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on 11 metres and PMR 446. Stay safe, guys, and although the threat level's been reduced, that virus is still unfortunately out there, so you keep yourself safe, guys, and enjoy the radio. I'll enjoy the radio too. So, 7 threes for now.